One of my all-time favorite treats is a bowl full of fruit salad, ripe fruit salad, because ripeness is always the key to great flavor, and the key to a great fruit salad is as many ripe fruits as you can pile into a bowl. The bottom line is this: fruit is fun, and once you figure out how easy it is to keep a mess of ripe fruit around, you'll quickly figure out lots of twists to deal with your ever so fortunate predicament. Like fruit salad smoothie or fruit salad martini. And you know all those weird fruit at the supermarkets, the ones that you're not quite sure what the heck they are or even what to do with them? Things like carambola, I know that one, or pomegranate, or rambutan, or dragon fruit, or I have absolutely no idea what this is. I know it's a fruit, but that's the point. I'm not worried about it. It's fruit. It's going to taste good. I wonder what that is. It's really good, though. Fruit sorbet meat fruit smoothie, also an elegant dessert. But why wait for dessert? How about a little bit of gin in your fruit smoothie? And of course, fruit salad ice cubes can come in many different colors. And topped up with lemonade, you've got instant summer. But if you don't like lemonade, a little sparkling water's just as good. Gin lemonade with fruit salad ice cubes? Gin fizz with fruit salad ice cubes? But what about the watermelon? Can't let this go to waste. I wonder if watermelon juice tastes good with gin. This is a cool way to dress up a dinner party. Oh yeah, here's to ripe fruit and to mastering the basics, because hey, when you do, look at all the twists that can show up in your kitchen.